Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video covers my personal experience using the service. Today, we're diving into obafitness.com. This website offers a comprehensive approach to fitness, incorporating personalized workout plans, nutritional guidance, and even mental wellness resources. It aims to be a one-stop shop for individuals looking to improve their overall health and well-being, not just achieve physical fitness goals. The site features a sleek, modern design that's easy to navigate. You'll find detailed information about the program's different components, including testimonials from users who have seen positive results. They emphasize a holistic philosophy, recognizing the interconnectedness of physical and mental health in achieving sustainable lifestyle changes. obafitness.com appears to provide a structured approach, offering various subscription options based on individual needs and preferences. This allows users to choose the level of support and guidance that best suits their lifestyle and fitness aspirations. From what I can see, they cater to a wide range of fitness levels, from beginners to more experienced athletes. This inclusivity is a significant advantage, making the platform potentially accessible to a broader audience. The integration of nutritional advice alongside workout plans is a key element, as proper nutrition plays a vital role in achieving fitness goals. It's important to mention that while the site presents a compelling proposition, individual results may vary. The information provided on obafitness.com should not be considered medical advice, and it's always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new fitness program. Based on my initial impression, obafitness.com appears to offer a well-rounded approach to fitness, emphasizing not just physical exercise but also nutritional guidance and mental well-being. They seem to focus on creating sustainable, long-term lifestyle changes rather than quick fixes. If you're looking for a comprehensive fitness platform, obafitness.com might be worth exploring. Remember to check out the links in the description below for more information.